I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for Friday, July 16th. Very little dark pool activity yesterday, but we are still monitoring this 10.5 million level on the SPY. So that's why I am bullish above that. 436, we are bullish above. These are all my targets. And bearish below 433.98. We'll see how today goes. Let's head on over to the Russell IWM. Also another, actually we had a medium size dark pool level yesterday, 218.78. We are currently just below it. Bullish today above 220. That's a big level. Really looking for an upward trade right here in this pocket. All right, so 220 for the day trade. If not, this has been the best short this month. Bear below 216.50. Yeah, if we can't hold there, I can see a move, and I'll show you. I pointed this out yesterday. Yeah, a move down to these guys, these moving averages, the 161 EMA, right around that 212 area. So let's see whichever way she wants to go today. But the QQQs, the NASDAQ, had a very big new dark pool level. All right, yeah, you guys have to watch this level. 362, and I underline it right here. That's how you know and bold it that it's a new level. 362.94. Look at the volume that happened yesterday. And by the way, this is the sneaky manipulative stuff they do. They actually sold here and did not report it until this candle yesterday. Yeah, by the way, guys, yeah, we sold at the top. Just letting you know. But that's okay. We're going to use that level to trade. Okay, so I am bullish above 362, but notice my target is that dark pool level. So they do like to play print Pong. Yeah, so that's the trade setup. If we close above that, then that's bullish. But if not, then that's bearish in the swing trade. All right, bear below 360 today for the day trade. These are all day trades. These are not swing trades. This is specifically only for today. These levels will change on Monday. All right, if you're looking for swing trades, catch up my Dark Pool Insights coming out this weekend. That's where I go through all the dark pool activity and map out the highest probability trades. And I will be doing that this afternoon. I'll start in the Java Pit trading room at 1 o'clock, by the way. We'll be looking through the dark pool prints from this week and finding some good swings. All right, the E-minis, bullish above 43.60. And we've just gone above that, and we just hit our first target. So hopefully some of you guys took this if you're trading the futures. I do send these notifications out on the app as soon as I'm done, so there's plenty of time to get into this trade. However, if you did not, watch the 43.65 level. That would be my next entry if we break above that, and then this would be a great target. This is R1. Let's be bearish below 43.44 today. All right, let's head on over to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 14.850. It's stuck in a weird spot right now in between the 4 and the 8 EMA right here. Yeah, not a good spot. You have algos selling and buying. So selling on the 4, buying on the 8. Until they duke it out and somebody wins, don't enter the trade. That's why I went a little bit higher to 14.850. And bear below 14.750. Let's head on over to the oil futures, which was getting clobbered. Yeah, yesterday. Below lots of print, so definitely adding some selling pressure to the Russell. Let me just show you this guy. Yeah, Thinkorswim. The person's pivot is at 71.95, so that's why I'm bullish above 72. I wanted to break above that. I taught you guys about that in the training pit this week. Yep, that's why I picked that level. Bear below 71.35, below this Camarilla. Let's head on over to, you know what, before I do that, let's just check out the weekly candle. We talked about this yesterday. And hold on a second. Yeah, so how are they going to close? Remember we talked about if they were going to close it below the 8 EMA. So at the end of the day, All right, if it's below that 8 EMA, look out below. All right, that's when we'll turn really bearish. So stay tuned for that. Let's go to the gold futures. Yeah, they have been just playing around with us on the gold futures too, right? They love to do that during the week, and then Friday comes along and they slam it. Yeah, so is this a dreaded H pattern? Or is this a breakout? Yeah. Well, we'll see. Bullish above 1824 today, really key, and bear below 1814. Let me just put the 5-minute chart on here. All right, bear below if we go below this S1 level. That's I'm sorry, S2. Yeah, using the S2 level today. All right, let's go to those Bitcoin futures, which are taking a bit of a hit this morning. Oh, they've come back. Yeah, actually, they had a big comeback. Yeah, they were pretty ugly this morning. Yeah, a little bit of a bounce here. Bullish above 32,250. I like to break above all this traffic. And bear below 31,000. All right, let's head on over to the individual stocks. I know everybody's watching AMC. Yeah, look, guys, I know a lot of you are swing trading this, and that's fantastic. But, you know, we make a living day trading, and AMC has been our #1 pick for quite a few months because it has amazing volume pre-market. And that gives us a huge advantage of seeing where the buyers and where the sellers are loaded, and the sky has been open. You know, we traded this all the way up. And yesterday was a great day for a retracement trade back to the 4 EMA, which is a very popular pattern. So you can make money day trading it and doing long-term trading and trade the options. The options are amazing. So today we're going to be bullish above 39 and bearish below 35. 35 is a major level. You know, if you're bullish, you really want it to hold that 35 level, but also keep in mind, we got a really big opening print yesterday. Highly unusual, $32.39. So we are above that, and that is bullish as long as we stay above this level. So that's a key level to watch for the long term. This is just a short term day trade, and don't worry, us day traders cannot move the stock. All right, no, we're not moving it in the bigger picture, but there's plenty of money to be made to pay our bills every month. So NEO, bullish above 44.25, bear below 43.49 for NEO. NEO also is another great day trading stock. It always has a lot of pre-market volume, and that's the secret. It's rocket fuel. So we're going to go to Apple, which has also been a great whisper. Bullish above 149.50 and bear below 147.50. We have American Airlines up. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to round the corner here. Bullish above 20.75. We literally are there right now. In fact, you see this guy with 2,200 shares on the INET. Yeah, the NASDAQ book viewer. You can see him on the level 2, but you can also go really deep into the level 3 book. Guys, this is why this is such an amazing book. Look how deep it goes. Give you a little lesson. I know a lot of people are watching are brand new to trading. Look at all the prices. We can go really deep and see everything. Don't you want to see where all these guys are loaded? Yes. This is why this is the INET. This is actually the dark pool. NASDAQ took over the Instinet. That's what INET stands for. That's the machine that was put in front of me my first day at Schoenfeld Securities. Yep, that guy's selling at 76. Yeah, look at that guy. Yeah, so watch that carefully today. Yeah, it's definitely a little signal right there. Bearish below, and see it's coming down. Bearish below 20.50. All right, we'll see what American Airlines wants to do today. But yeah, there's definitely some guy sending a signal over there. Let's go to Eric, which looks like it had earnings. Yep. Eric not doing too well. Normally you won't see this on the Whisper, only the days that it has earnings, and those are really, really good. We've traded this live in boot camp, and we're bearish below 12 today. Yeah, if we go out in the chart, you'll see VWAP right here, that's the volume weighted average price, where most of the volume has happened this year, and they like to bring it down there. Supply and demand, they bring it to where the biggest buyers are, and it's kind of like a magnet. So that's why I put that as my last target. See that 1162 VWAP. Bullish above 1250 for a retracement trade. Okay, probably up to peanut butter and jelly right here, these two moving averages. Let's go to EDU. You guys remember the last boot camp we traded EDU and it was fantastic? Well, we'll see if it moves. It started off slow and then it really kicked into gear. Bearish below 660. Bullish only above 7. Lots of traffic. Oops, lots of traffic on that. Going up to 7. Let's go to MGI. Patty, did you call this out? Who called out MoneyGram? Yeah, MoneyGram looks good. Thanks for that call out. Yeah, much appreciated. We're going to be bullish above 11 and bear below 1060 for MoneyGram. SLB, another great call out this morning by Dano. Yeah, bullish above 29.50 and bear below 28.80. Doesn't usually have pre-market volume, you guys, so I have a feeling this is going to have a decent move today. Yeah, it's definitely standing out there, so thank you for that call out. And SPCE, who called out SPCE? Somebody called this out this morning, and I'm so sorry I forgot your name, but great call out. Bullish above 33 and bear below 32 for SPCE. There's definitely a lot of traffic here below us. See all these moving averages? Let me just zoom in on that. Why did it stop right there? Well, let's see. All these computers are loaded to buy. All right, so that's a pretty big support. There is still a little bit more room to go, and I'm not saying it can't go below those, but that's a lot of, you have the 100 moving average, the 161 EMA, the 90 simple, the VWAP, oh gosh, the 200 simple moving average, and the 180 simple moving average. Okay, there's like 5 computers just loaded to buy there. That's what these moving averages are. They're magnets and they're rubber bands. So magnetically they're attracted to them and then they bounce off of them. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for Friday, July 16th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.